Have you ever felt that nagging fatigue, a little brain fog, or found your ankles swelling more easily? It's easy to blame getting older, but often the silent culprit is one of the hardest working organs in your body, your kidneys. As we move past 60, our kidneys naturally lose some efficiency. They become more vulnerable to the stress we place on them every day, and that stress is often hiding right in your glass. The stakes are high. Kidney disease can dramatically reduce your energy, your independence, and your overall quality of life. But here's the good news. Simple, easy swaps to your daily routine can make a massive difference. I'm Dr. David Thompson, and for years, I've helped people like you in the US, UK, and Australia protect their vital organs. Today, I'm revealing the 4 popular drinks that are slowly destroying your kidneys and giving you delicious, practical alternatives. Stick with me until the end to get all 4 swaps. And let me know in the comments, what's the first drink you have in the morning? Before we name the drinks, let's understand why your kidneys are so important. They are your body's essential filtration system, balancing electrolytes, managing blood pressure, and removing waste. After 60, the small filters inside, called nephrons, naturally decrease. This means what your kidneys used to handle easily in your 30s now puts them under strain. Our goal is to reduce that load. Drink number 1, the hidden danger of diet soft drinks. The first drink is one many seniors turn to, thinking it's the healthy option: diet soft drinks or diet sodas, or diet pop. Here's the thing. You're avoiding the sugar, which is a great start, but you are replacing it with a hidden kidney risk: artificial sweeteners and high levels of phosphoric acid. The scientific proof. A study published in the Clinical Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that women who drank 2 or more servings of diet soft drinks per day had an increased risk of kidney function decline. It's thought to be due to the phosphoric acid used for flavor and preservation, which can increase the acid load the kidneys have to filter. Real-life impact. Think about your afternoon routine. Do you reach for a sugar-free cola with your lunch or biscuits? You might be swapping one danger for another. Reducing this acid load is paramount to keeping your energy up and avoiding unnecessary stress on your filtering system. If this information is surprising, please tap the like button. It helps us educate more people about this hidden risk. Actionable swap. Number 1, trade the diet drinks for infused sparkling water. This is ridiculously easy. You still get the satisfying bubbles, but you eliminate the artificial sweeteners and the phosphoric acid. Practical action. Buy a bottle of plain sparkling water. Slice up a lemon, a cucumber, or some frozen berries. Add a handful to your water and let it infuse for 15 minutes. It tastes fantastic, is deeply hydrating, and gives your kidneys a wonderful rest. It's a simple change you can start today. Drink number 2, the mineral overload of excessive iced tea. Let's move to drink number 2, excessive iced tea, particularly in large American-style servings, or the heavily sweetened versions popular in Australia. Now, tea has antioxidants and can be healthy in moderation, but here's the kidney danger. Oxalates. Black tea is very high in oxalate, a naturally occurring compound. When consumed in large volumes, especially without enough plain water, oxalates can bind with calcium and form crystals in the kidney, leading to painful kidney stones or even contributing to long-term damage. Case study. Example. There was a real case in the US of a 56-year-old man who developed kidney failure linked to drinking large amounts, around 16 large glasses, of iced tea daily. This drink, especially when consumed throughout the long, hot days we get in the US and Australia, puts a major strain on your body. Actionable swap number 2. Use the lemon in moderation rule. You don't have to give up tea entirely, but you must cut back on the volume. Practical action. Moderation. Limit yourself to 1 small glass of iced black tea per day. The lemon trick. Always add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Lemon is rich in citrate, which is a powerful natural inhibitor of kidney stone formation. It helps prevent those oxalates from crystallizing. If you're enjoying this information and want to protect your health, please consider subscribing and turning on notifications. This is part 2 of our Health After 60 series. Check part 1 here. Drink number 3, the common mistake with coffee. The third popular drink is one of the world's favorites: Coffee. Now, good news. Coffee itself, in moderate amounts, 1 or 2 cups, is often linked to protective health benefits. But here is the critical mistake most seniors make: using coffee as their primary source of daily hydration. Coffee is a diuretic, meaning it makes your body flush out water. If your morning routine is 2 strong mugs of coffee, then you forget about water until lunch. You are putting your kidneys under immediate stress. They rely on constant, steady water intake to filter waste without working overtime. Dehydration is the silent killer of kidney function in the elderly. Actionable swap number 3. Follow every cup of coffee with a cup of plain water. This simple chaser habit immediately balances the diuretic effect. Practical action. When you brew your morning coffee, pour a glass of water immediately and place it right next to your mug. Finish the glass of water before you allow yourself to pour a second coffee. This ensures you start your day properly hydrated, which helps your kidneys effortlessly manage waste and maintain your blood pressure. This habit improves your energy and focus too. Drink number 4, the sugar and oxalate threat of fruit juices. Finally, the 4th drink that's surprisingly dangerous: high-sugar fruit juices, particularly orange juice, apple juice, and grape juice, the breakfast classics. Many seniors feel they are getting vitamins from these. While they do contain vitamins, they deliver a massive load of fructose, fruit sugar, without the fiber. The body processes this concentrated sugar rapidly, leading to spikes that can damage the tiny blood vessels in your kidneys over time, especially if you have pre-existing high blood pressure or diabetes. Furthermore, some juices, like cranberry juice often taken for bladder health, can be high in oxalates, bringing us back to the kidney stone risk. Actionable swap number 4. Eat the whole fruit, skip the juice. Practical action. If you want an orange, eat an orange. The fiber slows down the absorption of the sugar, giving your kidneys a gentle ride. If you love a drink with breakfast, blend the whole fruit with water, making a smoothie, rather than drinking strained juice. You'll be surprised how much better you feel when you give your kidneys a break from that concentrated sugar load. We've walked through the 4 silent threats to your kidneys: the acids in diet soft drinks, the oxalates in iced tea, the dehydration trap of coffee, and the sugar overload of fruit juices. The power to protect your independence and boost your energy is in your hands, or rather, in your glass. Making these swaps transforms your kidney health, leaving you feeling sharper, stronger, and more confident for the years ahead. Imagine feeling lighter and enjoying time with your friends and family without that constant fatigue. Now, it's time to commit. Which of the 4 drinks are you swapping out first? Drop your answer in the comments below. If this video helped you, please like it, share it with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. And for my next Vital Health Guide, we're looking even deeper into your kitchen. 3 everyday foods that silently damage your kidneys. After 50, don't miss it. Thank you for watching, and commit to taking care of your amazing body.